Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. You can see, okay, to do hard reset, first connect your phone to PC and laptop with the help of the USB cable. You can see, just connect it. So you can see now it is successfully connected to my laptop. Okay, now to restart it, press and hold the volume down and power key together like this. Just press and hold it. Okay, now release. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together like this. You can see, and release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Okay, now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So guys, here you can see. Okay, now go to wipe data factory reset. You can see wipe data factory reset. Go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. So you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Okay, so now here go to factory data reset and confirm. So you can see wiping data, formatting data. So guys, here you can see wipe data complete. You can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. So you can see, and guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.